Once upon a time, there was an old-school web developer who only did hardcore coding. Then came the age of AI and vibe coding. Intrigued by the technology, the Ancient One embarked on a new journey to learn about it.
Hello world. It has been a long time since I last posted on this channel. Like some of you, I was trapped in the mindset of AI will eventually take over. AI is inevitable, which is why we techies should adopt AI as a tool, not a doomsday machine. So come along and learn with me as I try to figure out how to run Claude Code locally. Now, getting started with this Claude Code vibe coding thing is rather confusing, even for an experienced senior web dev. So let's go through some basics and directions first. Also, feel free to correct me if I get things wrong. I am pretty much learning along too. For a start, we will need a computer that is not a potato. I have seen some people run with as little as 8 GB of RAM, but 16 and above is recommended. Also, a dedicated graphics card will help to speed things up. As for the software, I am not sure if Git is required or will be automatically downloaded. Anyway, there's no harm installing it manually. Next, it is blasphemy if you think you can get by without a proper code editor. Yes, I am referring to you vibe coding wannabes. Now for the AI stack, we will start with running a LLM locally. Two popular packages are Ollama and LM Studio. I will install Ollama as it is made for development work. But if you want, you can choose to install LM Studio or both of them. Next, install Claude Code and configure it to use the local model. At this stage, Claude Code can already run, but we can make some changes to VS Code for it to work with the local AI. Installing Ollama is easy. As on their installation page, just copy and run the command in the terminal, or download and run the installer. The installation will take a few minutes, just let it run. Once complete, the graphic interface will launch. It is very basic. Most of stuff have to be done through the command line. For now, just set the default model path and the context length. The context length is something like the amount of memory and capacity of the AI model. If I remember correct, the recommended minimum is 64,000 for coding. Since I have quite a bit of RAM on my desktop, I will set it to 128,000. Next, we are going to download an AI model. On the Claude Code documentation page, there is a list of recommended models. We are not interested in the paid cloud models, so we will go with Qwen instead. Do a search for Qwen on the Ollama webpage. The 9 billion parameters model should fit on my 4070 with 12 GB of VRAM. If you have less, you can try the 4 billion or 2 billion parameters model. Then in the terminal, just type in Ollama pull, followed by the model name. Once again, this will take a while to download. Once complete, type in Ollama run, followed by the model name. I will do a simple test by asking the very important question of how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? It took a while, but it worked. An AI model running entirely on your own machine. Now let's close the session and walk through the basics of Ollama a little bit more. To show the models that you have downloaded, use Ollama list. If you want to remove a model, use Ollama RM followed by the model name. Lastly, use Ollama PS to show the list of models that are currently running. Now for a quick summary of the basic Ollama commands. There are actually only 5 of them. List, pull, remove, run, and process list. With Ollama in place, we can now install Claude Code. As on the documentation, simply copy the install command. Run it in PowerShell. This time round, it only took a short while, but before launching, copy the installation path and open Windows environment variables. Under path, make sure that the bin folder is included. Next, create an empty test folder. Run Claude with local quen and give it permission to access the folder. As for testing, let's get Claude Code to create a simple stopwatch with start, stop, and reset buttons.
A few minutes later.
It only took 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's give it a spin. Yes, it is working perfectly, as you see. As for the code, I could have asked Claude to add comments and separate out the CSS.js, but still, this is fully functional and legible, a good starting point for customizations. At this stage, both Ollama and Claude Code are already working. One of the easiest ways to launch Claude in VS Code is to open the terminal and run the Ollama Claude command. But yeah, this is not integration with VS Code, it's just launching Claude from the terminal. To get Claude Code to so-called run properly, we first install their official extension. But as you can see, it will ask for login on launch, and only cloud options are available. Thanks to Prince Aurora for sharing the settings, we have to configure the plugin to use Ollama. Go under Settings. Turn Disable Login on. Edit settings.json. Set the base URL to local, set the model and the API key to anything. Reload VS Code, and the local model should show up. But this part got me stuck. Entering anything will prompt me to log in. I am not sure if this is a bug, but the settings are clearly not working properly. After some low-key anger management, I figured that since the settings in VS Code is being ignored, I will just enter them directly into the user settings instead. And surely enough, things are working fine afterward. Well, the installation and setup took a little longer than I expected, but things still worked out in the end. I'll be looking more into AI coding, so like and subscribe for more. Uncle Coffee, signing off.